Danish scientist named Hans Christian Ørsted accidentally noticed that a compass needle got deflected when the electric current passed through a wire placed nearby. He was so fascinated by this phenomenon that he started performing several experiments to confirm this discovery. This research later created technologies such as radio, television, and fiber optics. The unit of magnetic field strength is named as Ørsted in his honor. Let's try out one of the experiments he performed. From the circuit as shown in the figure, using a battery, switch and a copper wire. Place the compass needle near the wire. Now close the switch. You will observe that the needle gets deflected in one direction. We can clearly observe that a current carrying conductor produces a magnetic field around itself. Now, if you simply reverse the connections of the battery, something interesting happens. That is, the compass needle deflects in the opposite direction. What does this tell us? Yes, this is the proof to the fact that the magnetic field produced by a current carrying conductor is dependent on the direction of current flowing across it.